Hello everyone, I am Inderjeet Kaur from High School Mandigam, here to deliver a lecture. The topic is globe, latitudes and longitudes. In this lecture, I am going to talk about the heat zones of the earth, that are number 1 the torrid zone, number 2 temperate zone, and number 3 frigid zone. Number 1 torrid zone. The torrid zone is also known as the tropics. The zone is bounded on the north by the Tropic of Cancer and on the south by the Tropic of Capricorn. These latitudes mark the northern and southern extremes, in which the sun seasonally passes directly overhead. This happens annually, but in the region between, the sun passes overhead twice a year. In the northern hemisphere, in the sun's apparent northward migration after the March equinox, it passes overhead once, then after the June solstice, at which time it reaches the Tropic of Cancer. It passes over again on its apparent southward journey. After the September equinox, the sun passes into the southern hemisphere. It then passes similarly over the southern tropical regions until it reaches the Tropic of Capricorn at the December solstice, and back again as it returns northwards to the equator. Number 2 temperate zone. In the two temperate zones consisting of the temperate latitudes, the sun is never directly overhead and the climate is mild, generally ranging from warm to cool. The four annual seasons, spring, summer, autumn and winter, occur in these areas. The north temperate zones includes Europe, North Asia and North and Central America. The south temperate zone includes southern Australasia, southern South America and southern Africa. Number 3 frigid zones. The two frigid zones or polar regions experience the midnight sun and the polar night for part of the year. At the edge of the zone, there is one day at the end winter solstice when the sun is invisible, and one day at the summer solstice when the sun remains above the horizon for 24 hours in the center of the zone, the pole. The day is 1 year long with 6 months of daylight and 6 months of the night. The frigid zones are the coldest regions of Earth and are generally covered in ice and snow. It receives slanting rays of the sun as this region lies farthest from the equator. Summer season in this region lasts for about 2 to 3 months, and there is almost 24-hour sunlight during summer. The sun's rays are always slanting and provides less heat. Hope you have understand the lecture clearly. Thank you.